those thoughts.
The United States of America and our allies will take swift and decisive action against any use of chemical weapons in the Idlib province. Beyond that, I will tell you that we're watching very carefully as resources are being marshaled along the border of the Idlib province.
Specifically, it is unclear what exactly the administration would do, though the Trump administration has twice before launched airstrikes in response to chemical attacks in Syria. The U.S. has also used sanctions, Bill.
Thank you, Rich. Rich Edson watching that. Very significant story. Thanks, Rich. State Department.
Well, we are about 30 minutes away now from National Security Advisor John Bolton's first major address since joining the Trump administration. What does he see as the main threats currently facing the United States?
Also, President Obama, is he helping or hurting the Democratic Party by hopping on the campaign trail ahead of midterms? A closer look at that coming up in a moment.
It's pretty funny.
Are you a veteran? A lot of VA benefits with our service, but the VA home loan benefit is a big one. If you want to use it to get cash, call New Day USA.